And what is going on, guys? It is Blazing Bat here with
The Sick Fire, but it's actually my channel.
and we are going to be playing some FIFA today. I am Manchester City.
And I am Bayern Munich. Let's get this thing kicked off.
Well, perennial German champions, of course. In Europe, they've been fiercely competitive, though not always ultimately successful, but they did win that Champions League.
No, I like this. It helps me.
Yeah, I mean, they're dominating.
Why? Because it tells you how to play the game.
No,
you're still gonna lose.
They're just a huge, huge club that's...
Robert Lewandowski.
On the referee for you,
Such a person.
Boop,
Get wrecked.
now they've got.
No.
What can they do from here? Here's a chance to attack.
Robert Lewandowski, let's go.
I don't know any of these players.
The scoring 1-0 here.
Look in the bottom.
Ain't going up.
Monster save Alba. Thiago
And
to Alba. To
do you see my
Lewandowski.
dude's name?
Back to Alba. Back to Muller. Back to Lewandowski.
Lewandowski, I thought, is a hockey player.
Stop here.
Okay. Then you obviously don't know FIFA. We are playing on FIFA 16, I know.
It's a real tussle between the
We
two
are
of them.
still waiting for
Try and get the
Xbox
ball.
One to arrive. 1S, actually.
Shots on! Oh, he's hit that well, but knocks the ball here.
Watching.
2.
Well, they tried to catch the goalkeeper
One
out there, I
Neuer.
think, but he wasn't fooled. That's a real error by the keeper. Well, you can see what he was trying to do, but the pass wasn't on. It was on the crossbar in the one. That tackle didn't hold him up. He's away still with the ball.
No.
Great pass.
Half-time.
Alright, that's
Signalled by the
halftime.
referee.
I'm only up by
1-0.
1.
Well, the goal came early.
I don't mind
still
pull out the
Set
win.
the tone for the rest of the
I
match.
can pull out the
Well, it
win,
certainly gave
or
the
Nicholas can
team-
blow me out of the water.
It's Manchester
Yeah.
City to start this second half.
It's obviously mine.
What? This is bogus. I've beaten you before.
Yeah, when I was Vidal.
Opportunity now.
Bang.
Well, that
Are
would
you
have
kidding me?
ensured the
Last game part.
Oh, why is he going towards my goal?
shots on.
Pow.
Get blocked, son.
Space to try and hit it now. Oh, great work by the
That would have been embarrassing. That was sick.
And the corner's given for Bayern Munich.
Burberry. Oh. Dance,
Are
boys.
ready with the change.
No, can't score on the last play you have.
Oh, come
Hands of the
on.
goalkeeper to make that kind of save.
No.
If Burberry, if you score, I'm keeping you on.
You're not gonna.
We'll give him
Okay.
Bayern Munich, it's their throw.
Let's go.
Yeah. Ha.
Conan.
Front Ribéry
Brooks.
is to be substituted. David Alaba.
Alba, the left back. Who goes into the bottom left corner?
He's kept it out.
But he gets
Corner
stuffed
now
by
for
the
Bayern
savage.
Munich.
Oh, wait.
Who's already led in a goal?
Here's the cross. Javi Martinez. It's a corner again.
Come on, free kick number 2.
Free kick. Okay, nice pass.
Call it now. Kabang!
Taking the chance with the shot.
That almost
Yeah,
worked.
thought he might have
No.
done better there, Adam, and straight away he looked in a little bit of pain.
Wondered about this injury, and they are going to make a substitution. Doesn't look. Mario Götze.
Yeah.
He's got support here. Shots on.
Bow.
Wonderful
What a
finish.
shot. What a
Oh, you
goal.
won now.
Now, you have to believe in yourself.
Nil.
Michael, just do what the circle says.
It's a real tussle between the two of
Then you
them.
can let's put a guy on the line. I'm pretty sure you don't know how to take free kicks, but that's, you skied it.
No beach.
We feel good about
Beach.
that. A really strong and clean tackle.
Go. No, you. No, I pull it.
Well, goalkeepers are much better with the ball
No.
on their feet these days. They have to be.
No,
But this is not what the
No,
coach...
yeah.
That's
No,
a real
yeah.
error
Come
by
on.
the keeper.
Oh my, you chipped it.
No.
I'll keep the clean sheet. Well, no here. Come on. Come on. Come on, mate. Get in there. No here.
I
No
can't
here.
believe what
No
I'm
here.
seeing. Keeper's in trouble.
Kapow!
Lewandowski.
No here. Come on. You almost had the assist.
Can he do it? Decent block. Great work by the goalkeeper. Great hands. 4 extra minutes to play here of added time.
No here. No here.
Well, this could cost
No
him.
here. No here. No here. Ugh.
No. No.
Sanya.
No. I don't like your
Robert.
strategy.
Lewandowski.
That's another successful challenge.
Ching.
Thomas Muller.
Ching. Ching. Woosha.
Good tackle.
Good game. So
No.
And
No.
that's last on the
Ah.
I
No.
think for the players, this has been a good exercise. The main
And
that's not
anyways, thank you guys for watching, guys. And as always, we will
Yeah,
see
and I think
you.
that's something that the manager
next
must stress
video.
in the dressing room after.
Bye.
It wasn't about the
So
result,
far.
but about what they got out of
And
it,
Blaze
fitness-wise and from the